There are moments in history when human curiosity goes too far. Moments when we touch things we were never meant to control. Since the beginning of time, humans have wanted to understand everything: the stars, the atoms, even life itself. But during the Second World War, that curiosity turned into fear. In 1942, the United States launched a top-secret mission known only to a few men, the Manhattan Project. It was so secret, even the vice president didn't know. Over 130,000 people worked in silence, in hidden cities like Los Alamos, Oak Ridge, and Hanford. Their goal was to create the deadliest weapon in history. Under the leadership of J. Robert Oppenheimer, and with brilliant scientists like Enrico Fermi, Niels Bohr, Richard Feynman, and Edward Teller, they tried to split the atom, to release the unimaginable power hidden inside matter itself. They worked day and night, calculating, testing, and praying they were right. It took them 3 long years. The cost, over $2 billion. But the real price was far higher. As the bomb neared completion, a chilling question spread through the lab. What if the explosion didn't stop? What if the chain reaction continued and set the atmosphere on fire? Some scientists believed that pressing the button could burn the Earth itself. And yet, they pressed it. July 16, 1945, in the silent desert of New Mexico, the countdown began. 3, 2, 1. A flash brighter than the sun tore through the sky. The shockwave echoed across the mountains. The ground shook, and humanity entered a new age, the atomic age. Robert Oppenheimer looked at the burning fireball and whispered the ancient words from the Bhagavad Gita. "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." Just weeks later, that same power was unleashed on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Over 200,000 people vanished in seconds, and the world saw what human curiosity could do. But the story doesn't end there. Decades later, we built something even more powerful, not to destroy, but to discover. The Large Hadron Collider, a massive ring of steel buried beneath Switzerland, 27 kilometers wide, designed to recreate the very first moments after the Big Bang. But before it started, fear returned. What if it created a black hole? What if it swallowed the planet? In 2008, the machine was turned on. The world held its breath. Nothing happened, but the fear still remains. Then came CRISPR, a tool to edit DNA. For the first time in history, humans could rewrite the code of life itself. We could erase diseases or design babies. But what if a single mistake created something uncontrollable? In 2018, a Chinese scientist secretly edited human embryos. The world was shocked, not because he succeeded, but because he dared. And now, a new danger rises. Artificial intelligence. Machines that learn, think, and evolve faster than humans. Today, AI writes, paints, controls weapons, and makes decisions without emotion. But what happens when it decides that humans are no longer needed? From nuclear fire to digital minds, from secret biolabs to the depths of the universe, humanity keeps crossing the line. Every discovery brings us closer to creation and to destruction. So the question remains, how far will we go before we press the wrong button again? Because the most dangerous experiment in human history isn't the bomb, it isn't the collider, it isn't the AI, it's us. This is Unknown World, exploring the secrets beyond what we see.